Hello friends! Last week was full of silicon carbide news, which I'm eager to share with you today. The wide bandgap market is expanding step by step. It's still a long road to take, but we're definitely moving forward. Well, let's take a look at what is new in power semiconductors industry. SemiQ announced the launch of its second generation silicon carbide power switch, a 1200 volt silicon carbide MOSFET, expanding its portfolio of silicon carbide power devices. This MOSFET complements the company's existing silicon carbide rectifiers at 650 volt, 1200 volt, and 1700 volt. SemiQ has engineered this MOSFET to provide the best trade-off of conduction and switching losses to benefit the widest power range of applications. SemiQ device maintains its efficiency advantage over a full range of frequencies versus popular competitive products. This gives designers more flexibility over a wide range of applications than other devices on the market. Denso Corporation has been contributing to spreading the use of electric vehicles, extending their mileage, and reducing CO2 emissions from vehicles by developing silicon carbide power semiconductors, which incorporate Denso's proprietary structure and processing technologies, and using them in its in-vehicle products. Denso calls these silicon carbide technologies RevaSiC, conveying the idea of making changes in society through innovative technologies. The company has been developing a comprehensive range of technologies from wafers to power modules and will continue R&D on RevaSiC silicon carbide technologies and spreading their use in electric vehicles to help realize a decarbonized society. Semiconductor Power Electronics Center developed a novel and cost-effective 3.6 kV 400 amp silicon carbide half-bridge IPM based on the Austin SuperMOS. 24 1200 volt silicon carbide MOSFETs are integrated into the IPM together with a high isolation voltage gate power supply, gate driver with overcurrent protection. Ultra-low power loop stray inductance is achieved by utilizing magnetic flux cancellation in the IPM. BorgWarner, a global product leader in delivering innovative and sustainable mobility solutions for the vehicle market, is a recipient of a $5 million US Department of Energy award for the development of a scalable ultra-power dense extended range inverter. This research and development project is one of 24 university and industry-led projects that collectively were awarded $60 million in an effort to reduce CO2 emissions from the transportation sector. BorgWarner is leading this 39-month project and working with Infineon Technologies Americas, Polycharge America, the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, and Virginia Tech as partners to bring the SuperInverter to fruition. Wolfspeed will be a key supplier. The goal of the project is to develop an advanced inverter that is smaller, more efficient, and more cost-effective than inverters on the market today, with the intent of enabling 800-volt electrified vehicles to meet or exceed the Department of Energy solicitation target of 100 kW per liter of power density. Additionally, project plans call for a design that allows high power density with power scaling between 100 kW and 300 kW and can be used either as a standalone device or integrated into a drive unit that includes a motor and a gearbox. KEC, the first company to move into the Gumi National Industrial Complex, is drawing attention by taking a second leap forward, including a new investment of 20 billion won. KEC executives and employees, including CEO and union leader, held a signing ceremony for a resolution for joint labor management practice at the Gumi plant and declared their will to achieve KEC Group's Vision 2025 by harmonizing labor and management and actively promoting it. KEC's declaration of execution for this second leap comes from the Vision 2025, which contains core values such as a leap forward as a future-oriented global power semiconductor company in the automotive industry, announced by KEC Group 2 years ago to celebrate the company's 50th anniversary. Qorvo, a leading provider of innovative power solutions that connect the world, announced that it has acquired Princeton, New Jersey-based UnitedSiC Carbide, a leading manufacturer of silicon carbide power semiconductors. The acquisition of UnitedSiC Carbide expands Qorvo's reach into fast-growing markets for electric vehicles, industrial power, circuit protection, renewables, and data center power. UnitedSiC Carbide will become part of Qorvo's infrastructure and defense products business and will be led by Dr. Chris Dries, who was formerly UnitedSiC Carbide's president and CEO and is now general manager of Qorvo's Power Device Solutions. Well, that's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. Tune in next week for more market updates. Meanwhile, go to MarketSiC website for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.